Concerned about your account security or simply want to update your login credentials? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Upwork password in just a few simple steps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping your account secure is crucial for protecting your earnings and professional reputation. Regularly updating your password is one of the easiest ways to maintain that security. Let's get it updated. First, log into your Upwork account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account management dashboard. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Security section on the left-hand side. Here you'll find various options for protecting your account, including the password change feature. Click on Change Password, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This is a security measure to confirm your identity. Then, enter your new password twice to ensure there are no typos. A crucial pro tip: create a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. After saving your new password, Upwork will automatically log you out of all devices for security purposes. You'll need to log back in with your new password on any device you use to access Upwork. And just like that, you've taken an important step in securing your freelance business. Regular password updates are a simple habit that provides powerful protection. If this security tip helped you feel more secure, please give it a like. How often do you update your passwords? Share your security habits in the comments below. To continue optimizing your profile presence, subscribe for our next video on how to add a profile photo on Upwork. Thanks for watching.